shaman, they understand that they don't reprimand their daughters. For young women, sick of swimming, ready to stand and ready to know what the people know. Ask them my questions and get some answers. What's a fire and why does it? What's the word? When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore up above? Out of the sea, wish I could be part of that Hey guys, it's Jackie. So today I'm going to be filming my Halloween Get Ready With Me. And first we're going to start off with our hair because we're going to be putting on a long red wig. I'm going to be being Ariel today. So let's jump right on into it. First I'm going to be going in with my Melaleuca detangler. It's by Sabella. And we're going to just spray that all over our hair. Make sure our hair is nice and damp and detangled. Next, we're going to be going in with our Garnier Fructis Curl Scrunch, and we're going to be adding a whole bunch to our hair because we're going to need to gel our hair to make sure that it stays nice and sleek, because I've got a lot of hair, so I have to put it in a tiny little bun in the back of my head, make sure that there's no frays, make sure it's nice and sleek. So we're going to be working the product all throughout our hair. And make sure you brush it through so the product is evenly applied. We're going to be slicking back our hair completely. Next, we're going to go in with our Curl Sculpt. This has an extra strong hold. I'll be adding a little bit of it to our hair, just working it through all of our hair once again. And last but not least, we're going to go with our Garnier Fructis Mousse. It's the Curl Construct. Make sure you want to shake it first so you don't get a bunch of little gooey's coming out and making a mess everywhere. Wow. No one said it has to be perfect, guys. Wow, this stuff is just everywhere. And then we're going to take a thin tooth comb and we're really going to sleek back our hair, making sure that there's not going to be anything coming out from our wig cap. After that, the process is just about done. You're just going to take a little hair tie and you're going to tie your hair into a little bun at the bottom of your head. And now you've got a little bun in the back of your head. So next we're going to be going in with our bamboo tassel spray to just be ensuring that none of our hairs come loose until we put on the wig cap. And we're going to cover our face. Smooth it out. This stuff smells so good. Next, we're going to be going in with our Ciate Watermelon Burst Primer. We're going to be priming our face and our neck to make sure our makeup stays on all day and all night long. Next, we're going to be going in with our Nu Skin Advanced Liquid Finish Foundation. We're going to apply a couple squirts onto the back of our hands. We're going to be going in with our kabuki brush, or no, our stiffle brush. And this color is lighter than my skin, as you could tell, but it's because Ariel has a really fair skin tone. So we want to make sure we mimic that to the best of our abilities. After priming and foundation, we're going to be going in with our Avon Extra Lasting Concealer in the shade Light. And we're going to be concealing our under eyes and any other impurities on our face. Next, we're going to be going in with our Nu Skin New Color Foundation Powder, and we're going to be just baking our face real quick. And we're going to be blending it out with a kabuki brush. Next, we're going to be going in with our Avon True Eye Primer. We're going to be priming our eyelids and our eyebrows. Ariel doesn't really necessarily wear eyeshadow, but we're going to be going in with our Anastasia Beverly Hills palette in the Modern Renaissance. And we're going to be using this color called Vermeer, just to add a little bit of pink tint to our eyes, a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of bedazzle. This color is so pretty. It's like a pearl color, like a pink, white pearl color. After, we're going to be going on with our Jonte Blue Art Makeup Professional Liquid Eyeliner. We're going to be adding just a strip across our eye, outlining our regular eye shape, and we're going to add a little wing at the end. Next, for our eyebrows, we're going to be using our Power Lips fluid in the color Unbreakable. I know this is a little wild, but when you're not a redhead, there's no point to go out and buy a red eyebrow pencil, so you have to improvise. So what I'm going to be using is my lipstick and some eyeshadow. By the way, I'm using an angled brush to do this. Make sure our brows are sisters. They don't have to be twins. Now we're going to be going in with our Modern Renaissance palette again in the color Red Orchard. And we're going to be patting that color onto our brows, just to set the lipstick. Next, we're going to be going with a white eyeliner pencil, and we're going to be applying it to our waterline to make our eyes pop and look more animated. Next, we're going to be going in with our blush serum because, you know, every princess blushes, but she always has rosy cheeks for sure. A very small amount. This stuff is very pigmented. And we're going to rub it together, and we're just going to apply it to our cheeks. Starting to tie the look together, we're going to be going in with our Bella Hair eyelashes, and we're going to be applying just one of the sets that comes along with it. I'm also going to be using my Kiss glue. Next, we're going to be going in with our Pacifica bronzer. We're going to be contouring just a couple spots on our face, maybe like under our chin, along our temples, and around, you know, the edges of our face. Now we're gonna go in with our Trustique mini crayon highlight stick, and we're just gonna be highlighting our nose and our chin, our Cupid's bow. To finish off the look, we're going to be going in with our Power Lips in the color Ruler. Just to make sure we get a perfect lip, we're gonna be using this little lip brush. And there you go. There's your completed Ariel look.